C-clamp used in woodworking, metalworking, and other crafts. AC clamps, also known as G-clamps. C-clamp is a type of clamp that has a C-shaped frame, which allows it to be adjusted to fit various sizes of materials. It consists of a threaded screw that can be tightened to apply pressure to hold objects firmly in place. C-clamps come in various sizes, with larger ones having a higher clamping capacity and smaller ones for more delicate work. Applications: C-clamps are commonly used in woodworking, metalworking, welding, and various construction tasks. They are indispensable for holding workpieces in place during cutting, drilling, welding, gluing, and more. Sizes: C-clamps come in various sizes, with larger clamps offering greater clamping force. The size of the clamp needed depends on the specific application and the size of the materials being worked on. Material: C-clamps are typically made of steel or cast iron to provide strength and durability. Assembly: when assembling furniture or other wooden structures, C-clamps help ensure that parts are aligned correctly and securely fastened. Holding work for cutting: C-clamps can be used to secure a workpiece to a workbench or table for sawing, drilling, or other cutting operations. Woodcarving and shaping: woodcarvers and woodworkers use C-clamps to secure their work to a workbench, making it easier to carve, shape, and finish wood. When using C-clamps with timber, it's essential to protect the wood's surface from damage. You can use wooden blocks or soft materials like cloth or rubber pads between the clamp jaws and the wood to prevent indentations or marring.
I am Hassan Chamara Weeracon. If you get some knowledge, subscribe my channel and like my videos. You are bringing great success.